Hello guys, today I'm super excited for showing you this new product that I received. It's a silicone kitchen utensil set. Okay, and well, it looks like this. It's a super big box, and here it comes like an image of all the utensils it has or it contains this product. I choose the white color because, well, I think that color you can combine it with every type of kitchen you have. But well, there's also black. It's black and white. This one I think it's the black one, and this one the white one. So and also I think it's important, like for example, I like a lot to cook, so I like that my kitchen it's always renewing the things that I already have. And well, this ones I think I'm going to use it a lot, and I think that it contains everything important to complete all the set. Okay, so I'm going to be opening it, and then I'm going to show you how it looks, all the products. Like you can see all the products, it comes with this plastic protection. Okay, so it looks like this, and like you can see it's from silicone, and this it's a beautiful wood, and they're of a good size. Okay, and I like that it changed, like it has the line that changed from the silicone to the wood. Okay, so it looks like this. Oh, and I also forget to mention you that here it comes like in this part it comes like for what you want to use it. For example, this one it's a spatula, and it says that this one you can use it for the egg with. Okay, so I like a lot. I'm going to be opening it, and then I'm going to show you. Okay, like I was mentioning you, this package it contains 28 pieces. Okay, like you can see it's a super big box. Look inside how it looks. So I'm going to be opening it one with you. Okay, for example, this one maybe you can use it for the soup ladder. And then oh, okay, we have this one that I like a lot. It's a flatted spoon. Okay, it looks like this. Then oh my god, this one is the ice cream scoop. I think this one is the ice cream scoop. I like a lot this one. Wow, I don't know that it came with that one. Then obviously it's the pasta server. Okay, I like it a lot. This one, I think also we can use it like a spatula. Wow, I'm impressed with the ice cream scoop. I like them a lot. Okay, this one is a vegetable peeler. Okay, it's also super beautiful. Then oh, we have this one that it's the silicone mat or the utensil holder. Well, this one is for when you finish cooking or when you're still wanting that like the food still finished. You can put it like this, and you prevent like to getting dirty the surface. We have also these ones that are the measuring cups. Okay, it comes a lot. It comes like these ones that are super mini, that are from 1/4 of tablespoon to 1 tablespoon. Okay, this is the first one. Then we have these ones that are cups. These ones are tablespoons. These ones are cups. Okay, so oh, I like them a lot. Well, these ones are super necessary always. You need to have one of these ones, and I like the beautiful color it has. Okay, there are 28 pieces in this product. My god, there are a lot. Okay, these ones are mini globes. Okay, like just for taking off things from the oven, or maybe for example, like when you want to take I think that it's hot, you can do it like this. I'm going to find the other one. It's here. Wow, really, this product is super incredible. It has a lot of pieces and the necessary. It looks like this. Then we have another tablespoon, and this one like this. I like a lot this ones. And this is the basting brush. And well, we have also this one. It's for putting when you wash them. When you wash them, you can put it here, and all the water it goes down with this one. Whoa, this is incredible, this product, because it contains everything necessary. Look. Also, I like it like to put them there and put all the things inside. Look how beautiful it looks. But really, my favorite product it was the this one that it's the ice cream scoop. But well, I'm going to show you closer how the product it looks that it's silicone and well obviously it's super safe to have this product. Okay, and also this one that it helps to put here your tablespoon and don't get dirty the table or where you're cooking. Okay, so I like it a lot and I hope also you like it.